Printing on different paper types, a printer review. Title: Printing on different paper types, a printer review. Introduction. In the modern world, printers have become an indispensable tool to bring digital content into physical form. Whether it's for personal or professional purposes, the choice of paper type plays a crucial role in the overall print quality. In this printer review, we will explore the different paper types available and their impact on printing results. Why paper type matters. While the printer itself plays a significant role in producing high-quality prints, the choice of paper should not be overlooked. Each paper type has its unique characteristics, such as weight, texture, brightness, and finish, all of which influence the final print output. 1. Standard printer paper. Standard printer paper, often referred to as bond or copy paper, is the most widely used type. It is lightweight and affordable, making it ideal for everyday printing needs, such as documents, report, or casual photos. This paper type typically has a smooth finish, allowing for crisp text and decent image representation. However, it may lack the vibrancy and depth found in specialty papers. 2. Photo paper. Photo paper is specially designed for printing high-quality photographs. It comes in various finishes, including glossy, matte, and satin. Glossy paper offers a shiny, reflective surface, which is especially appealing for vibrant and colorful images. Matte paper, on the other hand, provides a more subdued, non-reflective look, suitable for a more professional or artistic touch. Satin paper falls in between, offering a semi-gloss finish that strikes a balance between the two. When printing on photo paper, it is important to select the appropriate type based on the desired outcome. Glossy paper tends to enhance color saturation and sharpness, while matte paper produces a more elegant look. Experimenting with different finishes can help achieve the desired results for specific photos. 3. Cardstock. Cardstock is a thicker, stiffer paper that is commonly used for creating business cards, postcards, invitations, and other visually appealing print materials. Its heavier weight provides durability and a professional feel. The smooth or textured surface of cardstock can greatly impact print quality. Texture can add depth and interest to designs, but it can also affect image clarity, so it is essential to choose a suitable paper based on the intended use. 4. Specialty papers. Apart from the commonly used paper types, there is a broad range of specialty papers available for different printing needs. Some examples include A. Fine art paper, ideal for reproducing paintings, illustrations, and fine art photography. This paper type provides a texture that mimics canvas or watercolor paper. It enhances the aesthetic appeal of prints but requires careful selection to match the image style. B. Transparencies. Transparencies are designed for creating overhead slides or screen printing stencils. They are typically transparent, allowing light to pass through and perfect for presentations or high-contrast art projects. C. Transfer paper. Transfer paper is used for printing designs that can be transferred onto fabrics or other surfaces using heat. It allows for creating custom t-shirts, tote bags, or other personalized items. 5. Recycled paper. In recent years, the demand for environmentally friendly paper options has risen. Recycled paper is an excellent choice for those seeking to reduce environmental impact. It is made from post-consumer waste, reducing the need for new raw materials. However, recycled paper may sometimes have a slightly different appearance or texture compared to its non-recycled counterparts. Additional options for specialty papers. In addition to the specialty papers mentioned earlier, there are a few more options worth exploring for specific printing needs. A. Metallic paper. Metallic paper is designed to create a stunning visual impact. It has a metallic-like finish that adds a unique sheen and shimmer to prints. This paper type is often used for creating high-end invitations, brochures, or art prints that require an extra touch of luxury. B. Vellum paper. Vellum paper has a translucent appearance, making it suitable for various artistic and decorative purposes. Its smooth surface allows for delicate and precise printing, making it ideal for projects like wedding stationery, scrapbooking, or layered artwork. C. Parchment paper. Parchment paper is known for its vintage and antique look. It has a rough and aged texture, reminiscent of ancient manuscripts. It is commonly used for certificates, diplomas, or invitations where an old-world charm is desired. D. Magnetic paper. Magnetic paper is a unique type of specialty paper that comes with a magnetic backing. It allows you to print directly on the paper and then easily attach it to metal surfaces like refrigerators or whiteboards. This paper is great for creating customized magnets, reminders, or decorative displays. E. Water-resistant paper. Water-resistant paper is specifically designed to withstand exposure to water or moisture without smudging or bleeding. It is commonly used for outdoor signage, maps, menus, or labels that may come into contact with water or other liquids. These additional specialty paper options provide even more versatility and creative possibilities for your printing projects. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance, transparency, or durability, exploring these specialty papers can open up new avenues for your creativity. The importance of paper quality. When choosing a paper type, it's crucial to consider the quality aspects that can greatly impact print results. Here are a few factors to keep in mind. Thickness. Thicker papers tend to have a more substantial feel and enhance the overall appearance of your prints. They also provide better durability and resistance to tearing or creasing. Whiteness/brightness. The whiteness or brightness of a paper affects the contrast and color accuracy of your prints. Brighter papers generally result in more vibrant and eye-catching images. Acid-free. Acid-free papers are archival quality and are less likely to yellow or deteriorate over time. They are an excellent choice for prints that need to stand the test of time, such as family photos or important documents. Compatibility. It's essential to ensure that the paper you choose is compatible with your specific printer model. Some printers may have limitations or recommendations regarding paper weight or thickness. Final thoughts. When it comes to printing on different paper types, the options are vast and offer a wide array of creative possibilities. Understanding the characteristics of each paper type and taking into account the purpose and desired outcome of your prints can help you make informed decisions. Whether you're aiming for professional-looking documents, vibrant photographs, or unique artistic creations, selecting the right paper type can enhance the overall quality and impact of your prints. So, embrace the versatility of paper and let it elevate your printing experience to new heights. Continued. In this review, we have discussed various paper types, including standard printer paper, photo paper, cardstock, specialty papers, and recycled paper. Each type has its own unique qualities and is